Software Spring. Presents. How to use query with pivot clause in Google Sheets. Hi folks, greetings. Welcome to this tutorial, which gives the steps to use the query function with the pivot clause. Let's get started by taking a look at the query function formula. The pivot clause will be a part of the query argument. Alright, here's an intro to pivot. Pivot creates a column for each unique value in the column specified in the pivot clause. Pivot allows to use average, count, sum, maximum, and/or minimum functions. Pivot can be used with, for example, group by clause. Key point: the columns that are included in the pivot clause should not be included in the select clause. Example: note that column A is not included in the select clause. Moving forward, let's use pivot to get the total number of investments in each asset class across all branch codes. Alright, we are all set to type the query function formula. First, type the equal to symbol, Q, U, E, and select query. For data, select this range, and type comma. For query, type this command. Type the closing parenthesis. The final formula is. This formula will return a column for each unique value in column A, and sum of the corresponding value in column B. Press enter. There you go. Query has returned the required data. Now, let's use the group by clause to group the data by column C. Let me type the initial part of the query function formula, as before. For query, type this command. The final formula is. Press enter. Alright, query has grouped the data by column C. Quick review. The query function formula is. Pivot creates a column for each unique value in column specified for pivot. The column used in pivot clause should not be used in select clause. Use group by clause with pivot to group data by a column. That's it folks. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel.